In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage Wix events. Whether you're planning a wedding, conducting a webinar, or hosting any special occasion, Wix Events offers a seamless way to organize and manage all your events online. Let's start by navigating your way to the Wix dashboard. So open your web browser and go to wix.com. Once you're logged in, you should see a range of options on the left-hand side of your screen. Look for the Events option and click on it. This will take you to the main events management page where you can see a list of events you've previously created or manage new ones. Next, to begin setting up a new event, click on the Add Event button. Here's where the magic happens. You'll first choose an event type that best describes your upcoming occasion. Wix provides several categories like a class, workshop, or trade show, so make sure to select the most fitting type that resonates with your event's purpose. Once you've decided on the event type, it's time to give your event a name. Type a clear and catchy title for your event, something that will grab the attention of your prospective attendees. Beneath the name, there is a field for an event short teaser. This is your opportunity to succinctly describe what makes your event special. It should be engaging yet straightforward enough to set expectations clearly and pique interest. Now, let's move to categorizing your event. You can select from the available categories or add your own to ensure it's aligned with your event's theme and public perception. This is helpful for classification and potentially for how the event may be promoted or found by potential attendees. We'll proceed to set the date and time for your event. This step is crucial as it helps avoid any scheduling conflicts. Double-check for any time zone considerations to ensure that your event timing aligns with the schedule of your target audience globally. Following this, specify the location of the event. If it's a physical event, you'll need to provide an address, but if your event is held online, choose the virtual option. Wix allows for seamless integration of event links when dealing with online events. We're almost there. Now it's time to craft a more detailed description about your event. This section allows for a more in-depth narrative about the event's purpose and what participants can expect. Make sure to include any essential information that attendees need to know. Finally, once you've reviewed all the details and made sure everything is in place, click on the Create button. Voila! You've just created an event on Wix. Be sure to share the event link with your audience through appropriate marketing channels to ensure maximum visibility and attendance. Thank you for watching this tutorial on managing Wix events. Now you're all set to organize your next event effortlessly. Happy planning!